Apple's iPhones are fairly resistant devices, but many of us prefer to take no chances and keep them in a case because they can still be scratched, grazed, or otherwise marred by contact with various objects and surfaces. But the Cupertino tech giant has just been granted a patent for a new type of housing that sounds like it could change the situation. It outlines an abrasion-resistant rear panel that might be utilized on devices such as the iPhone, iPad, and MacBooks. As is often the case, the latest Apple patent granted by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office initially doesn't appear to give a lot away, naming Apple's Senior Director for Materials Engineering and Product Design Chris Prest as lead inventor. However, upon closer inspection, the patent outlines a method for producing durable housing for electronic devices that can withstand abrasions. The suggested spatial composite approach comprises inserting abrasion-resistant components with interlocking structures into a mold cavity. These abrasion-resistant members, which may be composed of metal or ceramic, would be tougher than the moldable matrix substrate. They would be spaced about 10 and 100 microns apart, maybe with faceted surfaces, and designed to reflect light at an angle. However, it is unclear what type of texture or feel this would impart to the device. As shown in picture 2A of the design, the rear glass panel of an iPhone might have spatial composites with embedded abrasion-resistant members. Picture 2C shows a cross-sectional view of a housing with example embedded abrasion-resistant members. Figure 8 depicts an example procedure for manufacturing the housing. Additional drawings in the patent description depict different forms and configurations of the abrasion-resistant structure and substrate surface. The surfer accompanies intentions from patent applications can be challenging. This is often a deliberate tactic used by companies to avoid tipping off competitors about their plans, but companies may also file patents to prevent others from using their ideas, even if they have no intention of implementing them themselves. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.